Good morning! The little ones are at VBS and I've been running errands this morning, and now I am at, where is it? The car wash, because my car is a dump, like OMG. We have bananas. This week has been like every morning we are doing breakfast in the car on the way to VBS because they do not like waking up in the summertime, Sadie said. Sorry. It's raining right now, but I'm gonna get this car cleaned out and just have a clean car because I cannot handle this. It's like making me cringe. I've never had banana peels. Those are just from this morning, but I'm gonna get it cleaned up.
Hey guys, about to have lunch with my bro Caleb. Yeah.
Hi.
Hi there. My buddy's here. Yeah. That's my bro right there. What's up, y'all? One of my best friends in Seattle, right here. This guy.
Dirty. Really? But what does it look like now?
Clean.
Wow, guys, I never want to see that many crumbs in my life. It was like crumb city back here. How was VBS?
Good.
What was the best part?
The last day.
Why, babe?
Because the snacks were s'mores.
That's why it was the best? Let me see, Reen.
That is so nice of my teacher. Wait, Dear Bella, I loved having you on my team. Seeing your smile in the morning makes me my day. What's that say? I appreciate it. Appreciated your leadership. And
leadership, maybe?
Yeah, leadership and your
confidence?
Yeah. To all games. I hope to see you next year. Hope you have fun. I will miss you. Love Teacher Mika.
Aww, that's
and then
so
look
cute.
at the picture she got.
I love it, babe. Super cute. You got some fun prizes too, Sam?
Yeah, we got to bring home our necklace today.
Did you have a blast, love?
Yeah.
What's that, Sam? Oh, your group. Let me see.
I have my bun.
Oh, we have our group picture. Your bun there. So cute. I love it.
Sadie, I really enjoyed having you on my team this week. You were such a team player and a great help. I love seeing your smile every morning. Love, Jessica.
What's up, VBS out here?
Hello, we are headed to Franklin Falls on a hike today. This is the girls' first ever hike, so I'm really excited to take them. And Joey and Ashley are with us too, so let's get this hike started. We're starting out with stretch. I'm gonna pretend I can touch my toes, but I can't because I'm not flexible. Are you? Yeah, you can? Oh, I have no flexibility.
I can do it.
Can you?
So, well,
we got another mile probably, Belle.
do we?
Hear the waterfall. I think we got super close already. Oh, just kidding, I can see it. It's right up ahead. And this is so scary. But it's good for the girls to get out here, get used to this kind of nature stuff. What do you think? Hello? Are you like in shock?
People are swimming.
I know, the water's like frostbite though. We're headed back to the car from the falls. It was beautiful.